Okay, what's up? What's up? So today we're going to go over how you can set up your Zapier account with your Bison Automation account and send things back and forth. So first thing we'll do is come up, create a Zap, trigger, whether something is triggering inside of Bison Automation or you want to send something to here is going to depend on what you want to do. But what we're going to search for here is it's called lead connector, okay? And that's the framework that we use in order to set up the APIs. So lead connector, okay? Choose an event. Now, set up our account. Okay, so we're going to choose our account. I have 2 accounts connected, but you're probably not going to have your account connected yet. So set up, and then you're just going to paste your API key. Where do you find this? Well, let me show you. So if you go over to your account here, come into your settings at the bottom left hand side, business profile at the top, and then we have our API key. Hit the clipboard to copy it, and we'll come back over here and then paste it in there. Yes, connect to lead connector, and then now we have our new account. Okay, so now we can toggle back and forth, and we can choose the triggers. So if something changes inside here, send it wherever, okay? Whatever the trigger, production pipeline, if it moves to pre-production, send an email to Jim Bob and say, hey, you better have some screens coded. All right, test it, and then you know the drill. Okay, now what's it going to do? We can send an email, put them wherever, QuickBooks. A good one to do is if you're invoicing through QuickBooks, you can have QuickBooks be the trigger when a payment is put in, then send it to Bison Automation through lead connector here. And then you have some more options. So, for example, somebody pays an invoice in QuickBooks. Then it's going to send the information to your Bison Automation account, and you can have it update a contact, mark an invoice as paid, add to a campaign, update an opportunity. So what I do is if somebody pays their invoice in QuickBooks, update the opportunity, mark it as paid, and then put it in the production stage that needs artwork and mockups, and then that automatically will notify the teams and all that kind of good stuff. So this just gives you more flexibility, more opportunity here inside Zapier. Now, this can also work with your, if you use Make or Open API or anything like that, you're just going to do that in the automations trigger under Open API workflow. That one you need a little bit more of a background in coding and stuff. Zapier is very easy to use. So you can connect this to over 2,000 things, 2,000 applications, email, Octopus, Google Sheets, whatever you want to do. You can even send this if you're using both. If you're using Printavo and Bison Automation, maybe you like the Printavo invoicing side of things better. You can easily send information back and forth. Create a customer, create an inquiry, create a payment. You know what I mean? Delivery method, all that kind of stuff. So you can synchronize it back and forth, all that kind of good stuff. All right. And as always, if you need help with anything, just reach out to me.